When I was younger, all the people used to say, you don't know what it's like, you're just too young to say. But then I met you, like everything just changed. I I used to think that we're going right, but not even a little bit. Yeah, you know I was different, but other girls. You know I was different, but other girls. I never used to know what boyfriend means to say. I was always meant that's love. The love is something scared, and you just can't go there if you aren't pretty. And I was always think I'm not. I always think I'm a different kind, yeah. Maybe because I've been listening to music, but there was just not that. You just keep going back like you don't notice me at all. Um, I've gone on Facebook. Thought maybe there is someone who will understand me at all. When you have friends which are still like you, that's great because they're different. I always know if I listen those boys from One Direction, I will be different because I am. Oh, older people used to tell me when I was younger, you don't know what is love. But then I met you, we were different kinds. We were different kinds, yeah. We were different kinds, yeah. We were different kinds of people. We found ourselves. Ooh, ooh, but you changed me at all. You changed me at all. You changed me at all.